Hey guys, it's Jessie again, and today I'll be showing you how to change your Google account password. Let's head right in. Okay, first thing to do is to head over to your web browser. Now, go to the search bar and type in Google account. At the right-hand side of this page, we can see the Manage Google Account option. Click on it. Next, we're gonna head over to the top left corner and select Personal Info. You're almost there. Now, I want you to keep on scrolling down till you arrive at the password section. Now click on it. You'll need to first verify your identity by entering your old Google account password. Click on Next. Now, I want you to enter the new password for your Google account. Lemma, think of something real quick. Now, I have to retype the new Google account password to confirm it. Finally, click on Change Password. Hey, before we continue, make sure you like this video and subscribe as well. You're gonna notice that when you scroll down to the password section, you'll see that the password modify date has changed. And if we head down to the taskbar, we can see that the times relate. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope to see you soon in our upcoming videos. If you still have issues, you can email me through the link in the description below. See you guys later.